Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're playing, not playing. We are doing August Part 2, 2023 Patreon STL files for your D&D Warhammer proxy and figures as well. I'll be going through a whole bunch of them. If there's a Patreon that you want me to go look over, please leave it down in the comments and let me know which one you like as well. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out the link down below. And let's get started. We got the Azur Alma. It is a anime video game figures as well. For August, they'll do Froppy and Power. There's been a lot of Froppy and Power. This is what we got for last month. I thought the head was just kind of too chibi. So if you like the chibi, like the heads that they have, go check them out. Next one will be 3D Hex. I don't know. They're going to be active with because he has take his kid to the hospital and so forth as well. So last time he did anything was in April. Bruno Art 3DSTL is same as an anime figure and video game figure as well. So this is August 5th project. So these three will be for August 5th. So yeah, go check it out. So we have Wonder Woman. I think this is a girl from King of Fighter or Street Fighter 6. I don't know which one, but this one's from Invincible. Next one we have for it is Creative Greek MD. So you have Wonder Woman, Alternative Hero, and Zealot. So these two will be out for this month, I believe. This is for August. No, that's July. So this is gonna be for August from Casca, from Berserk, and Samurai Demon. Next one is a Warhammer Proxy Day Dumo miniatures. This will be no release. There will be no release in August. Let's see here. Why? There will be no release in August. Those who maintain a membership will receive 1/6 scales. So if you want 1/6 scale of this, looks pretty damn good for August. I'll probably get it for myself. Yeah, go for it. So yeah, it used to be Warhammer Proxy, but we're getting a Bleach Aran card figure instead. Dai Namiyu 3D is another anime figure as well. They did the Soka and there's Peach. I don't know what they're gonna have for August. We'll see. We may get back to that later on. Exclusive 3D art. These, even though this is July working now, he actually released this on August 5th. So this will be your August ones. You have Glenn Venom. You have, forgot her name is, and the girl from Starbucks. So I'll probably get that. But yeah, they released on August 5th, and I did not like that. So every time they say something like, "Oh, it's July work," they're not gonna give it to you for your July. You'll get it on August, and you gotta pay your August Patreon for that. Forge Hammer, Letter Warhammer Proxy. I don't think they have anything. This is was for last month, so you have to go back to that when you have. Probably will be because we have plenty of stuff to look through later on throughout the month. So Francis Quez. So we have Black Cat, the female Magneto, and the Huntress. So yeah, I don't know if that's the one that we're gonna be getting for this month, but we might go next one. Flan 94, another anime figure as well. We did the She-Hulk. Nothing coming out for August. Holy crap! This is the what August 3rd, I believe. Yeah, I should have some stuff. For August for voting results. That's September release. I think we'll be getting, yeah, we'll be Lilith, another Lilith, and we'll have the link from Tears of the Kingdom. Once I get the video capture card going, we'll be getting it. We'll be playing, streaming and playing it as well. So we have that. Highlight Miniature, Age of Sigmar, kind of proxy as well For August, I think it's another Human Settlements for it, or Warhammer Fantasy. I don't really see people play Warhammer Fantasy anymore. I know it's a different rule system, Age of Sigmar. I know Warhammer try to bring it back, but we'll see it. But we have that for you. Lost Hobbyist, a little goofy miniature site. They did Spaceballs. That's from July to August 3rd. But I already got what I want. I want the comb thing. That was, I believe, in June. Lloyd, we'll have there. Oh, there's another Warhammer and BattleTech proxy as well. I'll be looking at them. I do collab with them. I don't know if I'm gonna be painting these to. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be painting them this month. He hasn't really reached out to me. But we have SAS Steel Talon, and we have the Griffin Jet Bike, and the SAS I already painted the SAS I did the SAS Steel Talon. This one I did with the Navy camo. This I'll probably do with the Army camo. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes, and we'll see if I will get these to paint for this month as well. This was an anime figure, Neko figurines. We have Anaka Korowa. I think these. Nope. This was going to be for August. This is one. I forgot what it was called. We have two from Evangelion, and I forgot this one's a very old anime. I think it was X. It's something called X, I believe. If you guys know, please let me know down in the comments below. Nom Nom figures. We'll be having. This is subscribe now. This is the previous month. An XTL fix. No, this will be this month. We have Tojiro, Solid Snake, Para, Dopey, Tiamat, Chocobo, Spyro, Miles, Daska, Arthurus, Lima Lee, and Galados, and STL Fiesta, Nyx, Mida, Zoko, Dracula, Arthurus. So there's going to be a lot. Fiesta release. It's going to be a hell of a lot of figures that's going to be coming out for this month for Nom Nom. The Dork Factory, they were doing Dark Eldars for their thing. So they only have the June one. They don't have the July or August for these. But we may get back to it if they did release anything for it. This guy's like a hit or a miss. They will bring up some stuff. I think he has a full-time job for that. But Prime Miniature doesn't look like I have anything. Panga Miniature does the Blood Bowl style thing as well. I don't know if they have anything for July, but looking on the top, looks like they're doing Nurgles. I think I have a Nurgle type of Blood Bowl for it. Recurso Brush, another D&D style. They do nudes as well. And I don't read Spanish, so if you want a lot of female D&D figures, go for it. And they do have like a whole a set for you too for that as well. Sorrowgate Miniatures, another Warhammer proxies as well. I don't see anything for August. Usually a lot of time they don't show up till like mid of August for it. But the Mechnus Madness of John Bear Ross. If you want Knights or Warlord Titans, this is your guy. He does a lot of stuff for Warlord Titan for August. Looks like we are going to have some weird aberration. Usually a lot of times this might be more of a chaos type of Warlord Titan. So if you're interested in it and a big ass 3D printer, go for it. Only thing I want from him was the Gundam ones that he was doing, and it looks freaking awesome. Torto, another figure as well for August release. We have the female from Gargoyle. Don't know where this is from. Don't know where that's from. So these are the ones that's going to be out for August. Via Victus Miniatures. That's July. I don't think he has anything out for August. He has a little bit of stuff. This is D&D figures. You can also use a proxy for Warhammer Age of Sigmar as well. Jan Sculpt, I don't think she did a thing. Witchblade and Gen 13 is going to be for August, I think. No, that's for, I think, Witchblade and Gen 13. August release model. So yeah, we have Witchblade from the comic series, and we have Gen 13 as well from the old comics as well. Last but not least, I think that'll be it for today. We have more we'll do on Tuesday. That's coming up for part 3. We'll look over. We'll probably see some of the stuff that hopefully I post more for it. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out the links down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.